Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am reviewing Ninja Trader EA for MT4. We'll go through the MQL5 Marketplace page, take a look at the features and settings provided by the developer, and then review the historical backtest results to better understand how the EA has performed during testing. Starting with the marketplace page, Ninja Trader EA is currently available for $30. The developer is Roman Lomaev, and the version listed here is version 1.4. According to the description, this is a scalping focused expert advisor designed for MetaTrader with an emphasis on risk management, profit protection, and automated trade execution. Now, one of the first things highlighted by the developer is that the EA does not use martingale, grid, or averaging techniques. Instead, the system relies on predefined trade management rules that include stop loss, take profit, and trailing stop functionality. Now, as I continue through the marketplace details, we can see that risk management is a major focus of the EA. There is an automatic lot calculation, and that feature can adjust position sizing based on account risk parameters. For traders who prefer manual control, the fixed lot sizing is also available through the settings. Now, looking at the configuration options, there are dedicated parameters for trading hours, allowing users to define specific start and end times for EA activity. There is also a maximum order count setting, helping control the number of simultaneously open positions, along with a unique magic number parameter for trade identification. The protection and profit management section includes configurable take profit, stop loss, trailing stop, and slippage settings. These controls allow traders to tailor how positions are managed and how the EA responds to different execution environments. Now, moving down to the usage recommendations, the developer specifies that the EA is optimized for the M1 time frame. For account setup, the recommendation is to start with a minimum deposit of $100 and a lot size of 0.01. The marketplace page also recommends using ECN, raw spread, or STP accounts where spreads are low and execution speeds are fast. Now, another important recommendation is the use of a VPS. The developer describes VPS usage as mandatory in order to minimize execution delays and maintain stable operation, particularly for a strategy running on the 1 minute time frame. Now, moving over to the historical backtest results, this is where we can evaluate the EA's historical testing performance. The developer recommends using the every tick based on real ticks testing model for maximum accuracy, and also suggests using high quality historical data sources during testing. When reviewing any automated trading system, I always prefer examining longer testing periods because they provide a broader perspective on how the strategy behaves under varying market conditions. Okay, let us start by looking at the provided strategy tester reports that we have here. Initial deposit is $100. It was tested on gold 1 minute time frame, of course. And the total net profit that we have here, over $31.8 million. Total trades taken, 976,855 trades taken. Wow. Out of which 432,705. We are profitable, giving us a 44.3% win rate. Largest profit was $200. Largest loss $100. Average profit $199.2. Average loss $99.89. So this tells us that the risk to reward ratio is actually good. All right, around 1:2, thereabout. So we can see the balance and equity curve is pretty smooth, steady growth over time. Okay, and here this was Euro USD symbol. The EA tested on Euro USD, same 1 minute time frame. In this case, we had over $24.7 million profit, and total trades taken were 86,046. And here we have 58.03% win rate. Okay, let's head over to our strategy tester. Let us see how this EA, the Ninja Trader, behaved on XAU USD on the M1 time frame over the past 3 months in 2026, March 19 to June 19. We are using the every tick modeling. So in this case, we did not have any trade executed. Looking at the journal, there seemed to be an issue with the stops. Okay, so it is possible that the spread might be affecting the stops positions or something like that. All right, but I can see the error messages here. But based on what we have seen on the MQL5 Marketplace page, the backtesting results provided here, the EA seems to be doing pretty well. But remember that backtest results do not guarantee future performance. Let's just go see the EA in action regardless. So I'm turning on the visuals. Right. So when we look through chart history, we should be able to observe how the EA manages entries and exits using its built-in stop loss, take profit, and trailing stop mechanisms. Based on the information provided, the historical activity can help traders evaluate how the EA's risk management framework operated during the tested period. Since the marketplace description emphasizes capital protection and structured trade management, these are areas worth paying attention to when reviewing the results. I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. As always, historical backtest results should be viewed as historical analysis rather than future expectations. Actual performance can vary depending on risk settings, lot size selection, broker execution quality, spread conditions, slippage, VPS stability, market volatility, and any optimization choices made by the user. Overall, Ninja Trader EA for MT4 presents itself as a scalping-oriented automated trading solution with a strong focus on configurable risk management, position protection, and trade execution controls. Before considering live trading, it is important to perform your own testing and optimization to determine whether the EA aligns with your objectives and risk tolerance. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.